Hello everyone, welcome to our interactive session. In this lecture, we are taking a hands-on approach to apply everything we've learned. Through role-playing business scenarios, you will gain practical experience and see how your knowledge of business acumen works in real time. Let's get started. In this lecture, you will apply business acumen concepts in simulated business scenarios, develop decision-making and problem-solving skills, enhance teamwork and communication through role-playing. Role playing is a practical way to practice strategic thinking in a low risk environment. It allows you to see the immediate impact of your decisions and improve collaboration and communication skills. For example, acting as a marketing manager during a product launch simulation helps you balance creative strategies with budget constraints. Role-playing scenarios provide the opportunity to test ideas in real time without the risk of actual losses. For instance, if you simulate a crisis management situation, you can explore various approaches to resolve the issue without damaging a real business. Each team will be assigned a scenario based on real-world business challenges. For example, scenarios include launching a new product, expanding into a new market, or managing a crisis while resolving interdepartmental conflicts. Participants will assume specific roles such as CEO, finance manager, marketing director, or operations lead. Teams work together to analyze the situation and propose solutions using tools like SWOT analysis, cost benefit analysis, or a decision matrix. Finally, each team decides on a course of action and implements its strategy within the simulation framework. At the conclusion of the session, teams present their decisions and receive constructive feedback to evaluate their performance. Imagine your company, an eco-friendly clothing brand, wants to enter a new international market. You must decide how to position your products, allocate the budget, and address potential challenges such as cultural differences and shipping costs. To succeed, begin by identifying market opportunities and threats using a SWOT analysis. Next, develop a marketing plan tailored to the local market, ensuring it aligns with customer preferences. Allocate resources carefully, considering budget constraints, and finalize your strategy. Lastly, present your comprehensive plan to the group for discussion and feedback. This hands-on exercise fosters critical thinking as you tackle complex challenges. It also builds teamwork by requiring collaboration among diverse perspectives. Additionally, it ensures a practical application of theoretical concepts, giving you confidence to handle similar challenges in real-world situations. Think of role-playing as a flight simulator for business. Just as pilots practice flying without the risk of real-life crashes, role-playing lets you navigate business challenges safely while preparing for your real-world decision-making. It's an opportunity to refine strategies and skills in a controlled, risk-free environment. Write a short paragraph describing your approach, what you learned, and how you would apply these lessons in a real business situation. How did you feel about today's role-playing activity? What was your biggest takeaway? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's discuss how this exercise enhanced your understanding of business acumen. In summary, role-playing scenarios are a powerful way to apply business acumen in practical setting. By simulating real-world challenges, you gain valuable experiences in strategic thinking, decision-making, and collaboration. That was all about this lecture. Thank you for participating, and I look forward to seeing you apply these skills in real-world situations. Best of luck in your business endeavors.